Want to get fit at home with zero equipment? No gym needed. Let's crush this beginner workout in just 5 minutes. All right, let's dive into the best home workout for beginners. No gym and no fancy equipment required. Whether you're looking to build strength, burn fat, or just feel good, these moves will get you there. Let's get started with the first exercise, jumping jacks, 40 seconds. Start with a full body warm up, jumping jacks. These will get your heart rate up, burn some calories, and activate your muscles. Keep your core tight and land softly to protect your joints. Bodyweight squats, 45 seconds. Next, let's work on those legs. Do bodyweight squats. Keep your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and lower down like you're sitting in a chair. This works your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. No gym equipment needed. Push-ups, 40 seconds. Let's hit the upper body with push-ups. If you're a beginner, drop to your knees and work on your form. Push-ups are great for building chest, shoulder, and arm strength. Keep your body straight and lower slowly. Lunges, 45 seconds. Now let's do some lunges. Step forward and lower yourself until both knees are at 90 degrees. Push back up to the starting position. Lunges are great for your legs and glutes, perfect for toning. Plank, 45 seconds. Time for the core. Get into a plank position, elbows under your shoulders, and hold for 45 seconds. This targets your abs, back, and shoulders, helping you build stability and strength. Mountain climbers. Let's finish strong with mountain climbers. Start in a push-up position and quickly alternate bringing your knees towards your chest. This will work your core, arms, and cardio. Great job, you crushed this home workout for beginners. Try this workout every day to start seeing results. If you felt the burn, hit that like button, share with a friend who needs this, and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly fitness tips. Keep up the good work. See you in the next video.